Autel MaxiPRO MP808TS Diagnostic Scanner Review. Check the link below for more info and special 35% discount offer. 30+ maintenance functions. A well-bred horse deserves a good saddle. A real comprehensive OBD diagnostic scanner requires all-in-one functions. Autel Scanner MP808TS diagnostic tool has been upgraded with over 31 service functions, such as oil reset, EPB, BMS, SRS, ABS bleed, SAS Calibration, DPF Generation, Injector Coding, Throttle Matching, Suspension Matching, TPMS, etc. Moreover, MaxiPRO MP808TS can be constantly upgraded with more functions to meet your various maintenance needs. Top Professional TPMS Scanner. Autel MaxiPRO MP808TS is a perfect combination of Autel MS906 and TS601 608 and with same TPMS function as MS906TS. It is specially designed to fix all the TPMS issues, best used for complete TPMS health check, sensor activation, relearn, program, TPMS sensor retrofitting. Please be informed a professional online after-sales service team is always on call 24/7 so as to conquer the problems you meet. OE level all systems diagnostics plus AQ coding. OBD2 scan tool MP808TS is capable to read clear codes, view live data, AQ info and perform active test, adaptation, matching, coding for all vehicle systems, engine, body, powertrain, chassis to help your repair tasks, including ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, IMM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, fuel system, light system, wiper system, etc. MP808TS is a real cost-effective diagnostic scanner to perform powerful module scan and AQ coding. Active test, bidirectional control, auto diagnostic scanner MP808TS gives you what Snap-on scanner offers. It features bidirectional control, active test, to request information or command an actuator to perform specific tests, such as turning the fuel pump on and off, cycling the AC clutch on and off, performing an evaporative emissions leak test, fast. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.